Consistency is key for me, and I know that a lot of people know that I'm very consistent with, putting out new designs, which is what people know me about people know me for as a fashion designer.
Hey Veekee James lovers, it's Whitney here again in another video. Good morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. In today's video, we're going to be talking about some business lessons that I learned from Veekee James, and I also want to share with you guys so you can step up your business game in the fashion design world. The fashion design world is evolving. Honestly, you don't want to be left out, because this profession is now getting beyond just being a roadside tailor. Like, fashion designers now have offices. So if this is what you like to learn, keep on watching, like my videos, share with your family and friends. Alright guys, let's get to the honey of this video. Let's go. I love you. Hey beauty, welcome to my channel. The number one lesson one can learn for Veekee James is consistency. Like, in any business at all, consistency is key, and this lady is consistent in posting her work. And she does not just post her work, she makes masterpieces. Especially when she makes clothes for herself, she goes all the way. So consistency is key in any business whatsoever. And number two is attention to details. She pays attention to details whenever she's sewing her clothes. She does not leave any stone unturned. Don't say, let me leave this one, they will not see it. They might see it. Do it right now, so that by the time they'll come for their dresses, they'll be wild. And number three thing that I've learned from Veekee James is a good customer service. Honestly, without the right attitude, you cannot have a lot of customers and hold them down. All right. And then part of the customer service is, making sure that your customer gets what they want. Make sure that their desires are met, their wish are met, their imaginations are met. Pay attention to details, attend to customer courteously, properly, let them feel at home when they are with you. All right. And then number three is hard work. Veekee James is very hardworking. Forget the fact that you see her online and she'll be playing and enjoying life. After she has done the work, Veekee James, for one thing, she will go on vacation. She's going to enjoy her life, work hard, and also play hard. Another thing that I learned from Veekee James is that she sews her clothes, and when she sews her clothes, she does not just sew for sewing sake, that let me just sew it, my clothes, it's my clothes now, let me just sew it, and let me just do it, jare, is it not my clothes? No, when she's making clothes for herself, she's going to make it to the best. Something that she will make for her customer, she will make the same for herself. She will go all the way for herself, and then she will post her work, making people aware, consistently wearing her designs. Like, she does not get tired of sewing clothes. She consistently wears her designs, which is one thing I also want to adopt now. Like, I want to start sewing good clothes for myself and consistently wearing them. By that, people will get used to seeing you, and they will know that when you sew for yourself, you sew nice clothes for yourself, so they will trust your brand more. That if you can do a masterpiece like this for yourself, then you can blow your customers' mind. So do not settle for less because it's your clothes. Go all the way. All right, go all the way for yourself, and also go all the way for your customer. Then the last thing is that she understands her target audience. She does not settle for less. She understands her target audience, and she makes business really beautiful. I hope with this few points of mine, you've been able to learn one or two things from Veekee James. Those are the things that I took note of, and I also want to adopt in my business. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Winifred, and till I see you in my next video, I love you and I care. Bye.